attention to the footprint charts, right? And we're going to be dissecting what's happening at this particular price movement. So we're going to be dissecting this upwards trade that you could have taken on ES futures, right? So the first thing to understand, and this is something I'm going to be going into in future series as well, future order flow series, is that we want to be trading at a 15-minute fair value gap. So here we've identified a key level, a 15-minute fair value gap. This is a demand area. This is an area of potential support. Now, the mistake that a lot of traders make is that they blindly trade off every fair value gap, right? So if you look over here, there's plenty of fair value gaps, right? There's bullish fair value gaps over here. We had a bullish fair value gap over here. We had some more bullish fair value gaps down here before the gap, right? There's plenty of bullish fair value gaps. But what differentiates and what separates the good traders from the bad traders, or the traders from the gamblers, I should say, is being able to distinguish between a good fair value gap and a bad fair value gap. And it doesn't come down to market structure. It doesn't come down to liquidity. It doesn't even come down to time. What it comes down to is understanding the interaction between buyers and sellers and understanding who is aggressive and who is passive. Not how many buyers and sellers there are, not the next fancy liquidity sweep. And this is something we're going to be going over in a lot of detail. So if we go back to the previous slide quickly, right, what we're looking for is the ask minus the bid. So we're looking for this on the footprint chart. And this is what the footprint chart really entails, right? So let's break this down in some detail. If we head down now to the 5-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame is where we're going to be dissecting this price action. So as you can see on the 5-minute time frame, we have this large rally to the upside, right? And we are going to be dissecting this in terms of the 15-minute fair value gap, which is in this region. Right, so as you can see, when we zoom into the candles, we're able to see a brand new world which wouldn't be open to us with candlesticks. So what I want traders to understand now in the third part of the order flow series, as we get deeper into order flow, is that we want to be understanding that the order flow essentially dictates every candle. The candle is almost like an indicator of the